This local Indonesian brand is my go-to for that natural, glowing skin look. I'm doing a full face with MadForMakeup, and honestly, they might just be the best for the effortless, everyday glow. Hello everyone! Today, I'm gonna show you how to get this glowing, dewy skin using only MadForMakeup products. MadForMakeup is an acne-safe brand, so you can feel good about using their products even if you have sensitive or acne-prone skin. Let's not wait any longer and let's get started. Step 1. Skin prep and base. First things first, skin prep. If you have oily skin, I've heard it's best not to overdo your skincare using this product. But since I'm dry to normal, I'll stick to my usual routine. For the base, I'm using their Pearlfect Skintint in N1.5. The coverage is amazing for skin tint. It's light but it still gives great coverage. Finish is dewy and glowy, although personally I prefer a more matte look, but we can always tone it down later with powder. Look at this gorgeous finish, so dewy and fresh. Step 2. Concealer. Next up, I'm using their Spotless Plus Concealer in N1 to add some coverage where needed. It blends so seamlessly and keeps the natural glowing look intact. Step 3. Co-Create Face Palette. Now for the fun part, sculpting and adding color. I'm using their Co-Create Face Palette, which I recently unboxed on my TikTok. Link in the bio if you want to watch. For contour, I'm using the shade Unreal. This cream texture is perfect for that glowy, natural look. I'm applying it to my forehead, lower cheek, jawline, and even my eyes for a soft, sculpted look. For blush, I'm using their shade Hot Brains, another cream texture. I'm applying it to my cheekbones as usual, and it's so pretty. These two together are giving me such a gorgeous glow. For highlighter, I'm adding Champagne Problem, which they described as high shine glow for an instant dewy glazed look. It's truly living up to the description. My face looks so glowy. This face palette is honestly perfect for a dewy, glowy look. I'm obsessed. Step 4. Eyes. Next, I'm curling my lashes with their Kok Extra Lentik Eyelash Curler. It's so fun because it comes with random cute charm. It makes using an eyelash curler way more exciting. Okay, I'm cheating a little bit by using a mascara from another brand to complete the look. Step 5. Lips. To finish it all off, I'm using their Glass Stick for a glossy, hydrating finish on my lips. And voila, we're done. This is the ultimate glowy, natural makeup look using only MadForMakeup products. I love how fresh and radiant everything turned out to be. Let me know in the comments if you've tried MadForMakeup before or if there's any other local Indonesian brands you'd like me to try. Bye!